So I just want to show how I'm just adding the color to my bowl. And I just use this needle, and I'm poking straight from top to bottom and trying not to bend it so I don't break it. And here I want to show you guys a trick how to make it. So you see how the wool is thinner here? So if I put it like that, so you will have a little bit of nice gradation here. And I just add the whole thing on top like that. And this is how I do the gradation. So I'll just pull the wool, and then again I put it like that. And I will again punch, punch, punch. And this is how we get the gradation. And it's, you can see that if I need a little bit more wool, I'll add more. If I need a little bit less, I'll just pull it off. This is a good move. So you can kind of brush it a little bit here. And then I punch a little bit more. And sometimes I will use the puncher with 3 or 5 needles. So just to make it, attach it a little bit better and make it smooth. Now another thing I want to show you here, how you want to make your edges a little bit more prominent. So you just go along the edge, you can see, and the needle will pull the wool inside. And the edge now is more prominent. Okay, that's it. Thank you.